us. It's personal.
Certain limitations apply. Transfer coupon required for offers. See weekly circular for coupons and store for details.
This Memorial Day weekend at the Home Depot, get special deferred financing store-wide with your Home Depot consumer credit card. Buy a grill or patio furniture and you can...
Just another little one, Ted?
One with our low prices.
Yeah, I know.
Deferred financing. Keep your cash at...
Oh, it came off, too.
Entertain at home.
All right, bring it down, rigger up.
Special deferred financing. More saving. More doing. That's the power of the Home.
Watch it close so it doesn't come all the way to the top.
Gentlemen, where's Shipley with my cost analysis?
She's homesick, Mr. Bregwell. Oh. You sit too, sir.
No, not the last time. Okay, cost analysis wasn't ready. Call Bob from accountants.
All right, that's a keeper.
That's a new payroll.
Yes. What's that?
I'll say that. Bob from accountants could handle payroll too.
Yeah, this breeze is already starting a little too early.
The movie is legendary. The soundtrack is unforgettable.
You want to measure that?
New musical has come to LA. Don't miss Dirty Dancing.
Ted, you didn't turn the downrigger off. How much?
15.
15. All right.
Tickets, visit Ticketmaster.